Everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It is a big day in the Monkey Kingdom. Yep, because we are returning to the 500 SEL. We have received so many comments, so many suggestions on what I should name this car, and we have a winner. From henceforward, from this day forward, she shall forever be known as Frida, because she was free. Duh. Okay, that was kind of stupid, but here she is. Yeah, this is the car that I picked up in Arkansas. Yeah, we are waiting on the title. We had to go through a tag agency, and I had to give them a little extra money to get the title for the 500 SEL. But we went to a little town in Arkansas. We picked her up. She has sat since, what was it, 2008, I believe? Yeah, put on a battery. She started right up, and I drove her onto the trailer. Lola's taking her laps again. Say hi. Okay. Anyway, yeah, so we have her parked back here, but it is time to show her some love, because as soon as I get that tag and as soon as she is legal, she's going on the road with my road partner. Okay, she's in kind of an awkward position here, but we're going to put this underneath and we're going to raise her up and we're going to drop the oil and just see how nasty it is. We're going to see how gross it is. Right, Lola? Right? Right? Wag, 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 wag. Okay, thank you. All right, we made a classic mistake, a classic but fatal mistake. And yes, Lola was trying to get in the scene. Thank you, it's what you do best, showing everybody your booty. All right, well, what I thought was the jacking point turned out to be the oil pan. So we now have a jacked up oil pan, literally. We jacked it up when we jacked it up. Yeah, so let me show you what's going on. We're off tripod now. We're going off tripod. Let's show you Mike's classic mistake. What an idiot. What a goober. Look. Look. Oh, that's my oil pan. That's my lovely oil pan right there. Look at the damage. Yep, I just didn't look enough. I didn't look enough, and so I've hurt Frida. I've hurt her greatly. Now we can replace that. But you do have to lift the engine a little bit to get to some of the bolts. But on a positive note, look what's here. After all these years, you still have your engine cover. The lower engine cover is still here. Look at that. Okay, so that's a positive. That's a huge negative. This is a positive. Well, this is so much fun, I just can't even explain it. All right, I'm working kind of on a hill because I'm too stupid to move the car to a level spot. I'm crawling under it to fix the damaged oil pan. I got tools here in my way that I'm too lazy to move. This is just the best day ever. But I want to show you what's coming out. Okay. Actually, it's not too bad. Okay. Here it is. Look at that. That just looks like pure oil and it's not even that gross. Okay. This has been replaced. That's new. You know, when Lola's smiling, it's been a good day. Yeah, okay? We've drained the oil. And let me show you how much fun we have had. Okay? This has just been a bundle of fun. Just oodles and oodles of fun. Because to get the oil pan out, you got to raise the engine. There it is. But you got to raise the engine. To raise the engine, you got to move your steering linkage. See that right there? Yep, there's your steering linkage, because you have to get access to the little piece of metal behind the pan right there to raise the engine. And then you get to loosen the engine mounts, because you need to go up about 1 inch. So you have clearance right there. Yep, that's the clearance that you need right there, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the pan. Okay, let me put this old bucket under there, so we don't spill any more oil. We've already drained some of it on the driveway. But look at this. There it is. And there's a big chunk of something right there. What is that? Oh, that's great to find. What is that? Look at that. Okay, this could be fun. We're gonna pour this out, and then we're gonna see what lies beneath. Let's do that. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh no. What is all this? Oh, heck no. What is that? Oh, don't tell me this is metal shave. What is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's drain this out and let's look and see what's right above here. Well, a couple of pieces have me worried. Look, that's got me worried. That's aluminum. This right here, this is aluminum. He's got me kind of worried. This, I don't know what that is. See? Look at that. The rest of this stuff is just plastic, and I think it's just from the oil pickup. Yeah, there's nothing else metal in here, just this guy. Yay. Yay you, whoever, whatever you are. Okay, we're going underneath. We're off tripod and we're upside down. Okay. That's your oil intake, okay? I don't see any pieces missing or chunks or anything from there. But this little part right here, I don't know why I just took a picture. Okay, yeah, this is jacked. That's all jacked up. Oh, and another piece just fell out. Hey everybody, it's been a week. Guess where we are? We're under Frida because this part has finally arrived, okay? This has been so much fun. Okay, you want to see how 30-some-odd-year-old rubber kind of loses everything? Isn't that nice? This is the oil pickup, the oil sump pickup. And this screen right in here. So what I'm trying to do is take this off without ruining everything. So let's just kind of see where it goes. Oh, that was almost it. There it is. Okay. There's the little pieces that Mike broke. We're back under Frida. Yeah, it's only been 1 week. Well, maybe 2. Maybe 2 weeks. Okay, this is the part we broke. Okay, I had to just kind of piece it off. It was all hard, chunky metal. This is the screen. I don't see any giant pieces of metal in there, which is good. Which is really, really good. This is a new clean microfiber towel that we're going to use to kind of clean up everything before we put on our new pan that we just got in the mail as well. Okay, remember, we got to lift the engine. First thing I want to do though, put this on. Okay, simply attach this. It should be pretty easy, I'm hoping. And just like that, it's on. Look at that. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Didn't hurt this at all. Okay, now to get the pan on, remember we had to lift the engine a little bit. We're going to do that. We'll put the pan on and then we'll attach all these little 6,492 little bolts. Not a big deal. You don't need to watch me do that. But this is cool. See? Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Yeah, one crazy mistake cost me 2 weeks of work. Yep. I had to wait for everything. For the pan, the sump strainer. And boy, was that fun. Lifting the engine so you could get the bolts right here that you can't even see. Lovely. Lovely. In fact, let me just show you how lovely it is. Yeah, isn't that great? Isn't this lovely? There. All right, well, now, since we have the bottom part of the engine, let's do the top. Let's do the oil filter. These are pretty amazing. I love these. Love them, love them, love them, love them. Why? Because look at them. They're so old school. Forgive my hands, but look. Isn't that awesome? With a little handle so you don't get your fingers dirty like these are. Yeah, that was a mess. Okay, so we have one O-ring. Now to get this, it's right there. Super easy to get. Let me kind of zoom in. It's a 13 millimeter on top. There she blows right there. Okay, we've already got that loosened, unscrewed. It'll just come right out. There it goes. Now, the top part comes out and come on. Okay, here comes the top. There's the top. There's your little O-ring. Lovely. Ooh. She's been there a minute. Yuck. Okay, here we go. We're going to give it a little tug. And right there. Look at that loveliness. That's gorge. Yeah, she has been there many years. Holy guacamole. Oh, that's horrible. That's horrible. Okay, out with the old, in with the new. Mr. Man. Look at that, beautiful. She just slides right in. And there. Just like that, we're back. Okay, we have two O-rings right there. 1, 2. This simply fits on top. They give you a little washer, which seems kind of big to me, but that's okay. I don't know why it's so big like that. Oh, you know why? Because that's for the bottom. That's for the fill plug, or the drain plug. Yeah, for the drain plug. That's great. Thanks, guys. But when I bought my pan, it had a good washer on there. So we'll save this for another time. We'll save this for another time, another car. There's the bottom right there. Here's the top. Put this on. Tighten it up. Yep. What I do is I use my oil rag that I have cleaned my hands with. And I just kind of wipe down the engine. Looks 1,000 times better. Can you believe that car sat since, what is it, 2008? Haven't fixed that. Those are my grimy fingerprints from climbing underneath. Got to fix the headlights. She needs nothing but a bath because she's gorgeous. And Frida is looking better and better every single second that I look at her. Love it, love it, love it. And with that, voila. And that, my friends, means Frida will continue to live. The reconstruction, the bringing her back to life continues here on the Monkey Wrench Mike channel. Next video, yep, we're going to take her on the road. We have to go make her legal, so we're going to take her for a little spin, put some gasoline in her, and get her officially inspected by the state of Oklahoma. So you want to stay tuned for that. Hey, also in a video coming up very, very soon. Oh, look at that. Yep, coming up, how you can get your grubby little hands on a Monkey Wrench Mike sticker. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you again soon.